Hello, everyone. Welcome to Naath update. Um, Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you so much for also watching our videos. And if you have not subscribed to our videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channels. Like, follow, and share. Comment. Support a brother. It takes you nothing, just that a support. Support a brother so that we'll be able to give you more contents or more videos on this particular channel. Today, the channel. To my fellows African, I believe if we work together, we can achieve our goals. We can really achieve our goals if we truly work together or come together and unite as Africans. The only things I can say to the people of Africa, especially people that live in my country, South Sudan, war will never solve our problems. Tribalisms would only kill us, but will never make us live in peace. How could we hate each other? We are black, from the same soil, from the same land. We're supposed to love each other. Now look at what we cause to our people. Suffering, hunger, rapes, killings every time. Why do we turn South Sudan or Africa as well as a battlefield? Let's move forward together, not for accolades, but for an impact. You know, the greatest strength in life lies on humility and a commitment to others. Let's fight the enemy together, but not for our freedom, but for the freedom of the one forgotten. There's a lot of people in the villages, in the remote areas, that don't know anything of the things that going on in this country. A brother from Dinka, and a brother from Bari, a brother from Chuluk, a brother from Nuer. They are one people, only one body. We shouldn't look at each other as enemies. If someone wrongs you by any way, learn to forgive and forget, so that we can be able to achieve a peaceful nation, so that we can be able, as young people, to settle and carry on this nation with faithful leadership and a strong brotherhood. I am talking to you, my people of South Sudan. If we come together and forget about our past and focus on the future of this nation, I believe we can be better again. I believe we can make our ancestors proud of this land again. Look at what we are caused to this land. It seems that we are cursed. Our ancestors, they're so hungry. They can't sleep. Bullets everywhere. Sound of crying, mourning. People die like flies for no reason. Just because of the hatred. Just because of the tribal. Even two brothers in the same family fight, but they reach to the times of negotiation and come to the same table and solve their problem, but not in a fighting, but in a peaceful way. Let's learn to solve our problems in a peaceful way, but not in a violent. The youth of this nation need to focus on working on a positive thing, not on the negative things. We have the horns, the backbone, the future of this nation. This is our time to act, to come up and rebuild this nation again with one heart, one faith, and one language. It's a shame that South Sudanese is scattered everywhere around the world simply because they say they don't have peace in their country. A peaceful nation starts with me and you. Can we come together and leave our differences apart and build this nation? Can we leave our whole differences and build this nation for the generation, for our kids? Don't you want our kids to be proud of these nations? Let's forget these people and create another chapter. Let's move on together. Let's fight this enemy called tribalism. Let's come together as a nation. Let's come together as one tribe called South Sudanese so that we can be able to fight this disease called tribalism. Thank you for watching.